A Shopify dropshipping website is one good way for you to make money online. So a lot of you guys have been asking me, please, how do I make money online? Watch this video to the end, because at the end of this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can set up a very good SEO based Shopify dropshipping website where you can actually sell people's products, so you don't need to worry about different things. So watch the video to the end, because at the end of this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can actually set up this Shopify website and start making money for yourself. So if you're interested, watch the video to the end, like I said. So what you just need to do is to go to shopify.com, sign up your account, enter your email address, and it's for free, right? They are going to accept you for free, but that means after like 3 days or 14 days, depending on the kind of free trial you have, you're going to be paying. But the first 3 months, guys, the first 3 months you're going to be paying just $1. So this is enough time for you to set up this stuff and try out and see if it actually works. Now, the unique thing I'm going to be bringing to you guys is how you can actually market this stuff, because a lot of people just talk about dropshipping, but they don't show you exactly how you can market it and start making sales. But I'm going to show you how to do it right now. Not every business model will work for everybody, but if this thing works for you, it's actually a very fantastic thing, because you can actually make passive income by selling other people's products. And I'm going to show you how to get the product, how you need to set it up, and everything you need to know in this video. Watch till the end, right? So after you've set up your Shopify website, you're going to be brought straight to the Shopify dashboard, just like you see here. And don't forget, I told you guys, if you sign up for a free trial account, you're going to also have this liberty to pay $1 for 3 months, just like you see on the screen. If I'm interested right now, I'm just going to click on select plan and I'll pay. But I just want to show you guys how to do it, so there's no need for me to pay. Okay, so right now we are here. If you want to see your account, your store, just click on this online store and it's going to bring you to your store. So right on your store here, you're going to see how your website looks like, and you can go ahead to customize it and do so many other stuff that you want to do with it. Okay, so right now this is the theme I'm using. This is just the theme from Shopify. I can either edit this thing or edit the code or do anything I want to do with it. So if I want to edit the thing, just click on edit, and it's pretty much simple. It's going to open up the editor section here, which I can now go ahead to edit it. So whichever section I want to edit, once I click on it, I have the liberty and I have the freedom to edit it. But I'm not going to walk you through how to edit this thing, because it's simple, right? If I want to edit anything, just click on it and change the hero section. Even like this section here, you can add and change different things. So this is not to edit anything, but please make sure you pay attention to details. Try to edit it very well to make sure it looks professional, so that you can be able to market a professional website or a professional dropshipping website to people that are interested. So I'm not going to dwell on this. So what that means is I'm going to go back, and I want to show you exactly now. I want to show you how you can add products from other people's website like AliExpress, Alibaba. Those top websites, those are China based website where they sell stuff in wholesales, and they are going to sell in good price. So you're going to add those products to your website here, and from here, anybody that shops to your website, they are going to their order is going to be automatically placed on those other websites, and I'm going to make your profit margin. So they are going to ship the product to your customer's shipping address immediately. So you don't have anything to worry. They are going to handle everything for you. So Shopify dropshipping, a very good business model. So what you want to do now is to come over to this section. We are going to add an app. So the app I added is called Zendrop Dropshipping. This is the name of the app. So but if you want to add yours, just come over to this section, apps, and search for the apps. In my own case, I already searched for it and added it. That's why you're seeing it here. But all you just need to do is search for it. So if you search for this app right now, you're going to see it, and I've added it already. So that's why you're seeing. So once you search for it, it's going to open up. Just click on it, and it's going to ask you to install. Just go ahead to follow the prompt. It's very simple to install. Just go ahead, install it, and after installation, you're going to see it appear here. Now once you have it here, all you just need to do now is to click on it. Once you click on it, then it's going to bring you to the app interface. And on this interface right now, you need to select a few things, right? I'm going to show you everything you need to do. So it's going to connect your store to the app, and this app we used is for free. So as you can see, in my case, I'm using the free plan, which is exactly what you want to start with. You can go to pricing and see, but using the free plan, we can then find products that we want to add, then we can manage those products, then we can actually set up auto fulfill. What that means is when your customers place an order, it's automatically going to place the order on the Alibaba or AliExpress website we are going to be using, and then that way the product is going to be shipped to your customer, whereas you have already made your profit margin. So how do we find products? All we need to do now is to click on find products. Okay, so once you click on find products, it's going to open the product catalog. Now in my case, I already selected the kind of products I'm interested in, but when you're signing up, it's going to ask you which type of products are you interested in. You just tell them. So far so good. I mean, making this video from Nigeria, so that's why these prices are in naira. But if you are in some other currencies, or you want to change your currency, you can actually do that in the settings. You can change the currencies to dollar, euros, whichever one. Okay, but I'm just going to leave it and continue. So right now, as you can see here, these are the products, and they are fantastic products. So we can actually select products from here, or we can actually search for other products. So but in this case, I'm going to leave this stuff. So right now, any product that we see that we like, all we just need to do is click on push to store. As you can see here, push to store, and once we click on it, it's going to be pushed to our own store, right? Any products that we like. Now if you don't like any of the product, we can also search different types of products or different categories. So you can select categories from here if you don't like what you're seeing. So you can see lighting, jewelry store, sports, shoes, furnitures, whichever category of products you are interested or you want to be selling in your dropshipping website. Now remember, this dropshipping website thing is an experiment, especially if you're just starting out, because you don't know what's selling, except you already know what's selling, right? But if you are doing experiment, I think one of the easiest or one of the best ones to start with are tech products, right? So tech products, they already have marketing, so all you just need to do is you might really have an idea already about it, then you can market it. Or you can actually start with products that are not so rampant, so that way you can actually have a marketing sense about it. But don't worry, like I said, I'm going to show you how to market it, so keep watching. So I'm going to select a few products. So let me use this one. Let me use this Xiaomi European wireless electric. I don't know what this is, but let me just push this to store. Once I click on push to store, as you can see here, it's already queued successfully, default settings applied. So I'm going to push another one to store. Let me push this other one again, and there are two now, and then let me push this other one. I'll make it 4. Let me push like 4 to store, right? Then I'm going to use this one. Let's push this one. So I've pushed this one as well, so they are now 4. So now I'm going to click on this apply default settings. So what that means is we need to do some stuff, right? So what we need to do now is continue selling when out of stock. We don't need to do that. And then allow the cost range. Okay, so multiply by 2, or that is plus the shipping cost, or compare at price and multiply by 3 plus shipping cost. If you don't want to include shipping costs, you just indicate here, but I'm going to leave the settings the way it is. Set price, send value 99. Okay, very good. Taxable, if you want it to be taxable, you just select, and then split rule, split all variants into new products. So you can use that. I'm going to use this. So this is good, and then all we need to do now is we're good to go. So right now, all we need to do, I pushed 4 products, and this is the 4 products that I've pushed so far, and yes, and I like it. So now I'm going to come over here to this product center, and then on this product center here, this should be where we see the products that I pushed to store. As you can see, these are the products that I pushed, and as you can see here, they are active. This one is active. All of them, all the products, they are all active, and you can see the selling price. This is the selling price, and you're also going to see what the cost price or each is, and you're going to see the supplier. As you can see here, we have one supplier, and supported market worldwide. so it doesn't have any range. So anybody anywhere in the world, they can be able to order the products. Now, as you can see here, these things are very kind of technical, so it's not something you just wake up and do in 3 minutes. So it's something you're going to do gradually, and then eventually set up a very good, compelling one and have it for yourself. So but I'm taking my time to show you guys some very, very important aspect of it. So if you don't understand anything, it's normal. So all you just need to do is to tell me in the comments, and then I can even try to even make a full detailed step-by-step tutorial on how you can actually do it. That will be taking a lot of time, like can take up to 1 hour, 2 hours to do that. I can decide to make that kind of full lengthy tutorial. So if you want that, tell me in the comments and I can consider making it. So right now, once we have done all of this, we have added the product. So I'm just going to come over to this product catalog, and then on this product catalog, we are going to see the products that we have. Let me see this this section. Let me come to this section. This is the dashboard section, and then okay, this is where you're going to see how much you're earning and the likes. Okay, there are other dropshipping apps which I did not show you guys, but this was one easy one. This is exactly why I'm showing you guys this one, and it's actually free to start. Okay, so there are also other free ones that are good that I've used in the future, in the past, and I think later on I can decide to show you guys in another video. But this is where you're going to see everything that is happening on your dropshipping account. So as you can see, we're on the free plan, and then we can actually go ahead. As you can see, total product for, I usually just use for currency Nigerian naira, but you can actually just change the currency from your Shopify settings if you want. So I can also add multiple stores to it, but in this case I'm not adding that multiple stores. And you can also go ahead to see other stuff. So as you can see here, this is credit card payment, and then I can also enable PayPal payment or PayPal direct, depending. But if I want to use PayPal, all I just need to do is to click on add the new account here, and then go ahead to add our PayPal account. Don't forget, PayPal, very, very important too for your online journey. And then after that, just confirm, and that's it. Okay, and that's it, we're good to go. So if I go to our online store, and then I preview our website, we are going to see exactly how it looks. Don't forget, I told you guys, if you want to edit your online store, you can go ahead to edit that. But in this case, I'm not editing anything, so I don't want to edit it. But if you want me to go ahead to show you how to do the editing and the likes, then you can tell me. So these are the products that we added to the store. As you can see, it's on our own store right now, or our own dropshipping website. So if this is something that I really want to push, as you can see, within how many minutes I have it. And if I'm interested, let's say I'm a customer, I'm interested in this product, it imported everything, with the topic, the description, everything that we need. As you can see here, is a full functional import, and this are professional stuff. So if I'm interested now, all I just need to do is to add to cart or buy it outrightly immediately. As you can see, so it's good to go, and people are good to start shopping the products. Okay, so now somebody might ask me, right, how do we now promote it, which is which is the most important part of this video. So how do we promote this Shopify dropshipping website? It's simple. First of all, you need to promote it using different means. One means is SEO, search engine optimization. So when you're setting up the website, make sure you are putting SEO in place. If you don't know anything about SEO is search engine optimization. You can ask AI. They are going to give you some recommendations, but basically what that means is you are going to make sure you use words and text and everything that's going to be search engine optimized, where customers are searching those particular keywords. Those keywords are on your website, and then your website can show up. Okay, and another good way to market this thing is using social media. Guys, don't underestimate the power of TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and the likes. Okay, so you're going to open YouTube, Instagram account, TikTok account, Facebook account, and promote your website on there. What does not just promoting the full website, you can actually promote single products that you know is going to reach people. So there's something called sponsored post on TikTok, sponsored post on Facebook, sponsored post on Instagram. You are going to take advantage of that, but it's going to cost you some money. So if you have some money to spend, of course you should have some money to spend if you're looking to make it quickly. So that way you're going to push the product to people that are of interest, that is of interest to them. Okay, so if you're selling phones, push it to people that want to really buy phones, so that way they can actually buy from your store, and the phone is going to be delivered to them outrightly. So everything is going to be done immediately. So guys, those are ways you promote the Shopify e-commerce or dropshipping website. All I just showed you guys how to do it. Very simple, direct dropshipping tactics, and how you can actually make money with it. Now, if there is anything confusing you, or if you really do not even understand everything I just explained to you, the comment section is there. Tell me the comment, and I can decide to make a full lengthy tutorial on how you can actually set this thing up from the very first step to the last very step. But I just wanted to bring it to you guys notice, so that you can get idea of everything you need to know about dropshipping website. So thank you very much. I believe this is going to be helpful. Now, if it's not helpful to you, tell me. But if it's helpful, please tell me as well. Like the video, please. Whether just help me to like the video is going to help. Subscribe as well. Turn on the bell notification icon so that you won't miss my new videos once I drop them. So thank you very much for watching this dropshipping Shopify website video. I'm going to drop more videos for you guys to enjoy. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you very much.